Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a melting doodle effect on your photos on Higgsfield AI. So all you have to do is to create this kind of effect is to go to higgsfield.ai. So on the website you would see a whole lot of sections to choose from. Go on to the app section, click on app section, scroll down and choose the melting doodle effect. So once you've chosen that, you'll be brought to a page like this where all you have to do to create something similar to this is to upload an image, then select video. In this area you generate video. Now this video will cost you about 16 credits, and the truth is that Xvideo would have given you enough credits for you to actually try this out for free, based on how, because when you sign up on Higgsfield AI you'll be given about, I think, 30 credits. So this should be sufficient for you to create the effect and see for yourself if you like it. And if you like and want to create more effects using Higgsfield, you can go on to sign up on their page and check out their pricing. Now if you check, we would see this was the original image that was uploaded, and this was the effect that was created. Just mind blowing. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and please subscribe to our channel as we're actively trying to grow to 5,000 subscribers.